I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the iPhone is unlocked, charged, and connected to Wi-Fi if using iCloud. Open Photos and go straight to Albums. Once there, scroll down to Recently Deleted. If you don't see the album, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in Settings Photos because syncing affects visibility. Tap Recently Deleted to load thumbnails. You'll see days remaining and file sizes. This first step gets you to the items that the system retains for a limited time, so you can act quickly. You now inspect the thumbnails and decide which to restore. Tap Select, then tap each photo or use Select All to recover multiple items. Once done, press Recover to move them back to your library. If you prefer removal, choose Delete to permanently erase. Make sure to check the days remaining counter. Once it hits 0, the photos are gone. If Recently Deleted is empty or items are missing, log into iCloud. COM or check device backups. Those alternate sources can contain copies you can restore. If you can't find photos in Recently Deleted, restore from an iCloud or computer backup. Make a fresh backup first, then erase and restore the iPhone or use Finder/iTunes to extract images. Once done, verify the Photos app and albums again. Make sure other devices on the same Apple ID don't own the copies. Photos can be removed across devices. If things go wrong, update iOS, confirm iCloud storage isn't full, restart the phone, and try again. Those fixes resolve most sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.